Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how I do my flat twist. So for a start, because I'm not so great with my parts and straight lines, I'm not very great at drawing straight lines, not even on paper, even with the ruler, but that's by the way. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections so I can see clearly, or at least so that my hair looks uniform a little. I'm going to go in with my cream, Hair Wonder. This cream has been very useful to me since I started my natural hair journey. It works wonders just like its name. And I like the smell as well. Well, the smell is better than the oil, so it smells nice. That's really what I can say. I don't know exactly what it smells like, but it smells nice. It smells really good. I like the smell. If you get the original, it smells nice. If you get the fake, it smells awful, like awful. Anyways, I'm just trying to put cream on the parts I have made. I like to start with the twist at the back. So I have my leave-in conditioner here as well that I may or may not use depending on how I feel when I start the twist. I like to hold my roots with a braid and then I do a twist afterwards. So I divide the hair into 3. So we have 1, second one, 2, and the third one. Ignore how unequal the sizes are. I will explain why in a moment. That's how I like to do my own. You can do yours to be equal and then sort it out later. So I like to divide like that and then plait into a braid just so that the roots are held better. Because I find that with my hair texture, when I don't braid the roots, the hair becomes puffy after a while. I have braided the roots now, as you can see, and see the difference in the sizes of that I picked. This is very tiny. This is like medium sized. This is large, and this is like medium sized. So what I like to do is to bring the smallest one with the medium size, bring it together, and then twist it against the large one. So I roll and I twist. I roll and I twist that way. Roll, twist, roll, twist. Quick tip, if you're trying the method I use and you're trying to use 3 different sizes to form your braid at the roots, when you form it, try to gauge it in a way that when you bring the medium sized and the smaller sized portion together, it's almost equal to the large sized one. I'll try another one and show you guys what I'm saying. But just like I did the first one, I had a medium sized one, I had a large one, and I had a small one before I wove the 3 of them together to form a braid. So try to make sure that when you bring the smaller one and the medium sized one to form your twist, try to make sure that the combination of the 2 of them is or are almost equal to the size of the large one. You want your twist to look that way. I'll try another one so I can show you guys what I'm saying. Try to make sure that the medium and the small size braid are almost equal to the large. I'm going to divide my hair into 3 for the braid. This is the small one. I'll put the large one in the middle. So we have the large and the medium-sized one. So I try as much as possible to ensure that the medium and the small one are almost equal to the large. So if you put it, you can test it this way and see. If you put it together and it doesn't feel almost equal to the large one, then you can try to divide again and get exactly what you're going for. Now that I am happy with what I have gotten, with the size of each one of them, I'll start my braid. You can braid for as long as you want, depending on what you're going for. But I just like to braid mine to hold the roots, and then I bring the large one into and I twist. So roll, twist, roll again and twist, keep rolling and twisting, roll, twist. Let me turn to the side so you can see. Roll, twist, roll, twist, roll, twist. You can do it slowly. When I first started twisting, my twists were not so great. But I use this technique and it works for me. Roll, twist, roll, twist, roll, twist. And I think one of the tricks to twist is to take your mind off it. I find that anytime I put my mind on, oh, I want to get a perfect twist, it doesn't always turn out great because I tend to overdo what I'm supposed to do to make the twist turn out great. So relax, take your mind off it, and just do you. See, so that's the second one. My hair is getting longer, I think, or not. So ignore the crooked parts that are on the hair or that are there. Once I make the flat twist, it's going to cover it all up and it's not going to be so obvious that the parts are not straight. So yeah, let's start with the flat twist already and stop talking. I noticed that with the flat twist, it's easier for me to pick my edges, and my edges have started growing very well since I started doing flat twists more frequently on my hair. So let's see if my edges can get longer than what they are at the moment before the end of the year. Just try to clean your parts as much as possible. Again, my hand is not as straight as I want it to be. This we can work with. Okay, no. Yeah. The trick with twist out is you're still doing the same thing you do with your 2-strand twist. You have 2 strands that way and you twist. So the only difference is that as you are twisting, you are picking up hair to make the twist continuous, like to continue your twist. So instead of just twisting the same 2 strands, you are filling the 2 strands with more hair
so you can pick up all the hair as you go along the line. So you're basically just doing 2-strand twists, but in a flat position rather than straight down. That's why they're called flat twists. See how this picks up all my edges. My edges are almost joining to my eyebrow, and it's usually very difficult to pick it up. It always cracks me up when hairdressers are struggling to, of insisting on picking my almost non-existent edges because they're almost close to my eyebrow. But yeah, that's how the first one looks like. I feel like this twist, this flat twist and 2-strand twist has actually been helping my hair with growth and all. Because look at this, look at that. Let's try another one.
This is an up-close view of how I achieved the flat twist. So I started by picking up a tiny piece and dividing it into two, just like I would do with my 2-strand twist. And then I twisted, picked up a little from behind to feed into the 2-strand twist, and gradually went down like that to the end. Just like you do with your cornrows, keep feeding the hair as you go down the line. So you pick up the hair, add it to one of the 2 strands you're holding, roll and twist. Just like you did with the 2 strands, pick up extra hair, pick up more hair, add it to one of the strands, roll, twist, pick up, add to the other strand, roll and twist. Keep going like that till you get to the end. It comes with practice. Sometimes I find that my flat twist is not as neat as I would love it to be, and also depending on what direction you are rolling the hair into. So for this one, I was doing my flat twist inwards rather than outwards.
Final look. This is what the hair looks like now, all done, finished. And look at that volume. I'm happy with what I'm seeing, and recently this has been my go-to every time I wash my hair. So I find that this helps my hair to retain length, and it's also easier to do, like very fast as compared to when I try to braid my hair, like braid it by myself. It's easier for me to handle and manage as well, and it doesn't take time. I don't lose as much hair compared to when I do my regular braids with my hair. So yeah, I tried my possible best to show you guys like a mini tutorial of how I do my flat twist, but I don't think that worked out for several reasons. My hands are bigger than the hair, and my hair is so dark, it's difficult to see, like to separate my hair from the roots and all of that, from my scalp rather. I like the fact that flat twist is able to pick up my edges, because my edges are quite close to my eyebrow, and it's always a huge problem trying to pick it up because my edges will stand and they curl up very easily. So we just have, I always have tiny knots at the front of my hair. But that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, or any video you'd like me to make. See you guys in the next one. Bye. This is my hair, and it looks nice. Like, this is my hair. I like what I'm saying. I'm very proud of my work. I'm very proud of what I did. But come on, look at this hair. Like, just look at this hair. Look at how beautiful. Don't end it. Look at how beautiful it looks. Loving it. Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk. See you guys in the next one. And.